Did you know that Apple's first product was illegal? And YouTube was originally created for a completely different purpose than watching videos? Here are some globally known tech brands with surprisingly unique origins. You probably would never have guessed that the world's most valuable brand started with an illegal product. Today, Apple is known for its high-quality phones and computers, but Apple's early days were rooted in a very different kind of innovation. In the early 70s, friends Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs built a device called the Blue Box. This device allowed people to make long-distance calls for free by manipulating the telephone network, which was illegal. The Blue Box generated specific audio frequencies used in the telephone network's internal signaling, enabling calls to be rerouted without the usual charges. But according to Steve Jobs himself, without the Blue Box, Apple might never have been founded. And while Blue Boxes were illegal, it represented a significant phase in Wozniak and Jobs' careers, showcasing their technical skills and entrepreneurial spirit even before the Apple we know today. Samsung, now recognized as one of Apple's biggest competitors, had a vastly different beginning. Unlike Apple, its origins were neither in electronics nor anything remotely illegal. It started in an entirely different industry. Samsung's journey began in 1938 when businessman Lee Byung-chul founded a company called Samsung, which initially operated in the food industry. Their most well-known products were dried fish and noodles, which they exported to China. But how on earth did a South Korean noodle company become a global tech giant? Later, after World War II, Samsung began expanding into the textile industry and eventually into other sectors, such as insurance, retail, and financial services. It was not until the 1960s that Samsung started focusing more on electronics, which was perhaps the company's wisest decision. This move led to its growth and international recognition, making Samsung one of the world's leading technology companies. The next company is also best known for its phones. The Finnish-born technology giant Nokia also had an unusual beginning, one that had almost nothing to do with electronics. And no, it's not the sauna. In 1865, mining engineer Fredrik Idestam founded a pulp mill in Finland, laying the foundation for what would later become Nokia. The company's first products included toilet paper and other paper goods. But how did a small Finnish toilet paper factory grow into the world's leading mobile phone manufacturer? Thanks to Idestam's ambitious vision, Nokia soon expanded beyond toilet paper into various industries, including rubber production, rubber boots, forestry, electronics, and much more, turning Nokia into a global powerhouse. Despite manufacturing telecommunications technology since the 1880s, almost since the invention of the telephone, Nokia struggled to adapt to the rapidly evolving smartphone market in the late 2000s. Unable to keep up with the competition, the company was forced to sell its mobile phone business to Microsoft in 2013, marking the end of Nokia's mobile phone era. Before you start thinking that every company on this list is a phone company, this next one is actually best known today for its high-quality vacuum cleaners. James Dyson is famous as the founder of the Dyson vacuum brand and the inventor of the bagless vacuum cleaner. But before that, Dyson developed something highly practical and unique, the invention that started it all. James wanted to create a product that would make everyday tasks easier, so he came up with the idea of replacing a traditional wheel on a wheelbarrow with a ball. This innovative wheelbarrow improved maneuverability and stability on soft ground and even won the Building Design Innovation Award in 1977. But how did Dyson go from designing a ball barrow to inventing a bagless vacuum cleaner that would revolutionize an entire industry? In 1978, James became frustrated with his vacuum cleaner losing suction too quickly. Upon investigating, he realized the problem lay in the vacuum bags, which clogged up fast. So he asked himself, could the cyclone technology used in industrial applications be adapted for household use? Over the next 5 years, he built 5,127 prototypes before finally developing the world's first bagless vacuum cleaner, and the rest is history. YouTube is one of the world's most popular websites, but did you know that its original purpose was completely different? Initially, YouTube was founded as a dating site where users were supposed to upload video introductions of themselves to find a date. They even used a slogan, "Tune in, hook up." But this idea failed completely because no one uploaded a single video. However, this failure led to a crucial realization. Why limit the platform to dating when people wanted to share all kinds of videos? So, YouTube was opened to all types of content, and soon, it became one of the most significant innovations on the internet. The platform grew explosively, and just a year later, in November 2006, Google acquired YouTube for $1.65 billion.
And we just want to say thank you. Today we have some exciting news for you. been acquired by Google.
It was one of the most significant acquisitions in history and solidified YouTube's position as the world's leading video sharing platform. But YouTube is not just a technology platform. It has revolutionized the entire entertainment and media industry. It has turned ordinary people into stars, created entirely new careers, and given everyone the opportunity to share their videos with the world.